title is Point of Sale Coffee Shop System. So, in developing web applications, makes it possible for users to access a POS coffee shop system and perform transaction from any location as long as there is an internet connection. We create this using combined front-end tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with back-end technologies such as PHP and MySQL to manage data, system logic, and user interaction. Next. So, in importance of web application, developing web application allows users to access a system and perform transaction from any location as long as they are connected to the internet. Web applications are accessible anytime and anywhere. It does not require installation, use centralized data storage, allow faster updates and maintenance, and help improve business operation and customer service. It allows access to the POS coffee shop system anytime, anywhere. No installation required on user devices. It centralized data storage for orders and transaction. It 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 is faster system updates and maintenance, and also improves coffee shop operation and customer service. Next.
And this slide is the process POS system. And this system is web-based, which means it can be accessed using a browser. It is designed to manage customer order, browse the menu, and process transaction easily. The main purpose of this system is to automate the ordering and checking out the process. Instead of manual writing and computing, the system will handle everything manually. It's help reduce error and makes the transaction faster. And the um, software development tools using the build the system. First is we have um, PHP. PHP is used as the background language. It's handle the system login like processing order, computing payment, and saving data to the database. Next is we have XAMPP. XAMPP is used as our local host server environment. It's allow us to run PHP and my SQL database in our computer. Um, Next is the Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is the code editor where we write the when we write and edit our system codes. And lastly is we have MySQL. SQL is the um, database. This is to all um, data to all our orders, sale, and transaction as storage. Next is significance of the study. Significance of the study, the system will help reduce human error um, because all calculates and transaction are automated. It will be increase the speed of process customer orders, especially during business hours. Um, all sales and transaction record are stored in our organized and our secure manner, making them easy to assess and review. Overall, the system streamline the daily operates of the coffee shop by automate, automating order, payment, calculating, and order process. The benefits of the system is we have coffee shop owner. This system help our monitor sales and transaction more efficiency. They can easily track business performance and employees can process order faster and their workload as reduced because the system is on automatically. The lastly is we have customer or the user. Customer reduce quicker server service and more accurate billing, which improve their overall overall experience. Next is our software development tools is we have yun nga. So we have XAMPP, Visual Code, MySQL, and PHP. This is our use from the system. So next is
So for our specification, so this is the user interface where the user can create their own account, and when the user finish filling their information, uh, and they can continue to log in form. So in the email address, to to log in, they need their email address and password to log in. Next. So the dashboard, which compose the home, the menu, our menu, which um, contain the drinks, foods, and different the varieties of drinks. For example, espresso drinks, cappuccino, espresso, latte, which comes with different sizes and etc. Next, for the foods, there's also a different varieties of foods like pastries, um, tarts, cheesecake, brownie, and mm, pasta and more. Next. So when the user are done with finishing or they ordered, I they add to cart their order, the order will go to cart, which they can remove and um, pick or select their quantity and proceed, or whenever they need to order again, they can click on continue shopping and or proceed to check out whenever it's finished. And for next, and whenever the you proceed to check out, there's always a message that a notification that you order successfully, and this is the look of the cart whenever you I when the cart is empty. Next. So this is the my orders, which contains the previous orders of the user or the client, and they can preview and see their actual order and their total price, shipping, and etc. More. Ay, next. So lastly, this is the log out and done. Next.
And then, so in summary, this research focus on development of a POS coffee shop web application. So through this project, we gain knowledge about web application and development using PHP, MySQL, and other supporting tools. The system successfully met all of the objectives by providing an efficient and user-friendly POS solution. Next. And then, as our conclusion, based on the results of the actual research, the development of the project was effectively improve the transaction accuracy, order processing, and the overall coffee shop operations. And this web was approach proved practical and efficient. Next. And as our recommendation for the future development, the system may be enhanced by adding an online payment, integration, mobile responsiveness. And also, they can add some features like sales analytics and features for to further improve usability and functionality of our system. That's all. Thank you so much. Once again, we are Buisan Genelo Lopez Christian Justin, Pino Jeneline, and Salas de Landro.